everyone, today's video is all about my real afternoon to night routine wherein I'll share my unfiltered version of life starting from handling my child to managing the household chores and also managing my YouTube channel single-handedly. So if you're interested to know, then please keep on watching. So guys, this is basically the afternoon time after having lunch. This is around 2:30 p.m. when my baby takes a nap between 2:30 to 4:30 and 2 hours का जो time होता है इसमें I do all my work. As you can see, the whole living area is a mess right now because as you know, if you have a toddler in the house, they need a particular space wherein they can play with their toys, they can enjoy with the toy. This is the time when I can clean the room and I can just clean the mess so that I can sit back and take some time from my busy schedule. So finally, when the room is totally cleaned up, then I use this time to get in the headspace for the day. I indulge myself into journaling and thinking of whatever content I need to produce for the next week or for next days. As you can see, I'm sipping some water so that I can stay hydrated for the rest of the day. I don't want myself to get dehydrated. At the same time, I check on my social media accounts because this is the time when I get little free time to sit back and look into my accounts. If I had to upload something like photos or shorts or any short videos, then I quickly do that and then head back to my journaling part, which is very important because I cannot instantly make a video randomly. I have to think about the video, I have to make plannings for it, then I plan to record it, then again I plan to upload it. So this is the time when I do this. So after around half an hour of the journaling and all, I start my recording. So before recording a video, it is very much important for me to see the technical things that is required for the recording a video. So as you can see, we have a ring light, so all the light situations should be proper, the camera should be at the proper angle, and the background should be very neat, very clean. This is the same background wherein I shoot all my videos, almost all my videos. I'm basically checking the light, the camera, everything, and I'm quite happy with it right now. And then we'll start the recording. So these are the things that I actually need. I'm creating a look for my Instagram. Go check out my Instagram page if you haven't already, and please follow me there. Here I'll share with you a quick skincare routine that I follow basically every single day. And trust me guys, this skincare routine is very simple, using only 2 to 3 products, but it is very helpful. So this is the only face wash that I own, and I have been using this face wash for a very long time now, and I can say you that this is the best face wash that you can use even if you have oily skin, normal to dry skin, or you have dry skin like mine, then definitely it is going to work on your face. After that, I am using a serum from L'Oreal Revitalift. This serum is my recent favorite product, and after that I apply a moisturizer, which is the common thing to do after your skincare. This is a moisturizer from NutriDerm, again my favorite moisturizer. I use it regularly, like every single day, and it is giving very nice results. So around 1.5 hours of shoot, it's time to get ready because it is our baby's playtime. So as you can see, after taking a nap, Rian is looking very active, and I will just get him dressed up properly so that we can go out. So being a mom, it is very difficult to handle everything single-handedly, but I always make sure to focus on the goal and think that why I am doing so. And I also remind myself not to beat myself up with the fact that there are times when I'm not able to shoot a video and not able to do what I wish to, but trust me guys, that's okay, that's totally okay. And always remind myself that this is my responsibility and this is my priority. Prioritizing quality time with your toddler is very important. Doing so, it will reinforce your bond with them, and also your toddler will love the quality time that you have spent with them. Recently, we have started going for a short drive, or we have started taking our child to a small park wherein he could play properly. And also Rian loves playing outside, and that's how we spend our good time together. After returning back from the park, you can see this kid, he is keeping all his shoes inside the cupboard, inside the shoe rack, which is a very different thing for me because I felt so happy when he did this. So it's always good to let your toddler help you so that it will make him feel useful, competent, and also make him learn new skills. After that, it's time for my workout. So workout is the thing that I do either in the morning or in the evening time, depending upon when I get my free time. So basically today is the day when I'm doing it in the evening time only. So stretching out and workout is helping me not only physically but also mentally, keeping me motivated, keeping me stay positive, keeping me energetic throughout the day. And I don't want to skip my workout, be it Sunday or be it Monday. So after my workout is done, I quickly go to my kitchen and prepare for my dinner. So basically for my dinner I always try to keep it very light, very simple. So today I'm making oats chila. I always try to finish my dinner within 8:30 p.m. to 9 o'clock, as early as possible, because I have to also feed my baby and also do these kind of thing related to my baby. So that is the reason I feed myself first so that I gain some energy, I preserve my energy to feed my baby further and also to make him sleep. It takes lot of time, guys, it takes lot of time. So yeah, about this oat chila, it is very simple. I have added the common masalas, Indian masalas to the oats को मैंने 3-4 मिनट के लिए बस सोक करके रखा था. And after that I'll make a chila out of it. Very easy, very simple. Pan लेना है, non-stick pan, and then I have greased some oil to this, brushing it up and putting the batter onto the pan. Very easy, very simple. Within 5 minutes you will get delicious, tasty, yummy oats ka chila, which is not only rich in fiber, protein, complex carbohydrate, but also will make your dinner light, feel your stomach light, and you will feel very, very nice after having this. So after the dinner, it's time to go for a night walk. So basically after having dinner, it is very important to take a light and a short walk, which is very much important for your digestion so that you will have a good sleep. And recently I have developed this habit of joining my husband for a night walk because he has a habit of going outside after the dinner. So after walking 10 to 15 minutes, it's time to get back to home. So it is around 10:30 to 10:45 p.m. in the night, and now also Rian is in active mood. As you can see, he is not at all willing to sleep, and it takes us at least 1 hour to maximum 2 hours to make him sleep. The sleep situation is not at all that good for us. Before going to bed, we have this habit of cleaning the bed properly and putting a nice freshly cleaned bed sheet on top of the old one, because whenever I do this, I feel like I get a very nice and good calm sleep at the night. And also I always maintain a 2 hours of gap between my dinner and my sleep time so that my digestion works in a better way, my sleep cycle performs in a better way, and I get a good night's sleep. And as you can see, we are forcing Rian to sleep quickly so that we are turning off the light. And that's it for the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this. If you did, then make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.